Hi, everyone. This is Traylor. I am with Komprise. We are an intelligent data management software solution, and we are based in Campbell, California. And today I have with me our Senior VP of Engineering and Operations, Mohit Dhawan. Hi, Mohit.
Hello, Polly. How are you doing today?
I am good. How are you?
Doing great.
Great. And so you are in the San Jose area, and I'm in Denver, but we are communicating as usual over Zoom for now.
Exactly.
So great. Well, today I'd like to talk about what's new at Komprise, and we just had a product update, and we called it Deep Analytics Actions. So I would love it if you could give us a quick take on what that is.
Absolutely. So Komprise actually launched Deep Analytics a few years ago, and it's really heavily used by our customers. And how they use Deep Analytics is it's like a unified global file index that is a single searchable index of all your data across different data centers and cloud silos that you can really find across billions of your files and objects based upon your queries, your metadata searches, and using our UI or even APIs. And what we have done with Deep Analytics Action is it's an extension on top of this index where now you not only can find and search what you're looking for, but you can really take some meaningful actions on the data, right? You may want to right place that data. You may want to move that data to your data pipelines to be able to process it within your cloud platforms. Or you want to be able to really, find what you're looking for and maybe confine or delete the obsolete. It just enables many use cases for our customers. They have been asking for us to do that for some time, and we're very excited to launch this now.
That's great. And so I think that it sounds like it's simplifying and speeding up this process. And how, what big problem does this solve for our customers? Our enterprise customers are kind of our, and how would they be doing these processes without Deep Analytics Actions?
Yeah, I mean, and generally, if you think about unstructured data, it is scattered, right? I think it gets generated in most of the times in edge data centers. It is too large, right? There are billions and billions of files. And what we have seen, the latest trend is the growth of this unstructured data, that it's growing at an exponential rate. And the data is generated by these IoT devices, these machines at the edge data centers, or think about autonomous cars and vehicles. Right? And once the data gets generated, the enterprises and businesses wants to process this data, but not the whole data, but a subset of data generally as well, right? So it's really subset of data is very meaningful. They want to be able to really find the data generated by a particular. And that's what kind of Komprise really solves for them, that really, hey, now the business users can really find what they're looking for, right? Based upon the unified global index, and then move the data for their data pipeline use cases and based upon their queries and the filters that they have developed.
Got it. So it's that needle in a haystack, finding what you want and then moving it and using it or applying it to another system in the cloud or another analytics application versus moving everything. Okay,
exactly.
That makes great sense to me. And I guess if you had to explain this benefit to a person who's outside of IT, like maybe the CEO or the CFO of one of our customers, how would you describe to them what this is going to be able to do for the company, potentially maybe in the marketplace
Yeah, absolutely. So what we think is, and what our companies and our customers think as well, is that data generally outlives the storage, right? The storage does not have the value, but the data has the core business value. That's what really, the CEOs care about. Hey, how do I extract more value from the data? Now, if you can right place your data, if you can really find what you're looking for, right? If you have to create, think about, even let's take an example of all the autonomous vehicles, right? You want to be able to create your next set of capabilities in the cars. You want to understand how it's being used today. You want to find a particular data set to be able to process. How do you do that today, right? You have to really move the entire data for the processing. It takes a long time. It's a very cumbersome and manual process. What you want is a policy driven that's always running based upon your tags and your custom searches to be able to process, move the data to the cloud so it's ready to be processed and extract that core business value out of the data. And that's really what deep analytics enables and Komprise enables for our customers to do and achieve that.
Great. So data value, which is all about business today. All right. Well, thank you, Mohit. It was really great to touch base, see your face, and to learn more about what we're doing at Komprise. And until next time, have a great one.
Thank you, Polly.
Thank you.